We're in the Pinnacles Desert in Nambung National Park, and we're here with our instrument we've installed for satellite calibration. So we've installed this instrument so we can provide some data back to the international community for satellite calibration, for checking instruments that are passing overhead at the time.
This spot is really unique, and it's like the perfect spot for us to do satellite calibration. For vicarious calibration side, some of the features that we need is big expanse of uniform cover, which design obviously is we need it to be very bright, we need it to be consistently bright, we need it to be fairly flat, and it meets all those criteria.
So NASA's come out to see this site because they're looking to use it for their satellite calibration for their instrument that they have.
I came to NASA more than 30 years ago to do just this, and it's taken about 30 years where the technology was ready for this class of observation, full spectroscopy of the Earth system, to answer the really interesting questions, particularly now in periods where the Earth is changing. We want to measure what's happening and maybe help make decisions how to adapt as we go forward.